Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning English with William, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, everyone. It's so good to be back today.
It's great to see you, Emily. How are you?
I'm very good, thank you. I had a nice morning. I had my tea, and now I'm ready.
Oh, you and your tea, and I see you have your coffee.
Yes, a big cup of coffee. I'm happy and excited today
Excited? Why are you excited, Emily?
because today we are talking about a very fun place.
A fun place, huh? The park?
No, not the park. It's a place inside. It's very big and has many, many shops.
Ah, I know, it's a shopping mall.
Yes, exactly. Today we're going to talk about the shopping mall.
That's a great topic. I like the mall. It's a fun place to go on the weekend.
Me too. And we can learn a lot of English words related to the mall.
Perfect. I'm ready to learn.
Me too. But before we start our trip to the mall, our English trip, we should ask everyone listening something.
Oh, yes, everyone, welcome. We are so happy you're here.
Yes! And please, if you enjoy our lessons, click the like button. Give us a big thumbs up.
It really helps us. And please subscribe to Learning English with William. You'll see all our new videos.
And share this lesson with a friend who's learning English. Maybe they'll love our chat too.
Thank you so much. Okay, so, Emily, the shopping mall.
Yes, the mall. It's a big building.
It is. And what's inside the mall?
Shops? Many, many shops.
Yes, we also say stores. Shop or store. Both are good.
Shops and stores? Got it. What kind of shops are at the mall?
My favorite? Food.
Yes, there's food at the mall. Where do you eat there?
It's a big area with many tables and small restaurants.
Yes, we call that the food court.
The food court. I love the food court. What do you eat there?
Oh, there are so many choices. You can get pizza.
Pizza. I love pizza.
I know you do. Or hamburgers or Chinese food. So much food.
The food court is a great place to eat. Okay, so we have food. What else?
Clothes. There are many clothing shops.
Yes, you can buy new clothes. And what about shoes?
Of course, there's a shoe store and a bookstore too.
I love bookstores. They're quiet and relaxing.
Me too. So we have clothes, shoes, books, food, and sometimes even a movie theater.
A movie theater or a cinema, right?
Exactly. Movie theater or cinema. Both mean the same thing.
Wow, the mall has everything. It's like a small city.
Yes. Okay, let's go shopping in our English chat.
Good idea. Let's start with the clothing shop.
Okay, we walk into the clothes shop. What do we see?
Clothes for men, women, and children.
Yes, we see shirts, t-shirts, and dresses.
T-shirts are so comfortable. I wear them all the time.
Me too. And we see pants.
Pants. And when they're blue, we often call them jeans.
I love jeans. They're very popular.
And jackets for when it's cold.
Yes, and don't forget shoes.
But this is a clothes shop. Sometimes they sell shoes too, but there's also a big shoe store.
Yes, let's go there.
Wow, Emily, so many shoes.
I know. Look, black shoes, white shoes, brown shoes, red shoes.
And sneakers.
Sneakers are sport shoes, comfortable for walking or running.
I love sneakers. Great for walking around the mall.
Okay, let's go back to the clothes shop.
All right, I see a nice red shirt.
Ooh, red is a great color, but what's your size?
Small, medium, or large?
Yes, S, M, or L. I'm medium. What about you?
I'm medium too. We're medium friends.
Ha ha, that's funny. So you find a red shirt size M. What do?
I can try it on.
Great phrase. Try it on means put it on to see if it fits.
Yes, I go to the fitting room. Or changing room.
Exactly. You try on the shirt and look in the mirror.
It looks great. I love it.
Wonderful. So you want to buy it.
Yes, I take it to the cashier.
The cashier takes the money. You can pay with cash or card.
Yes. The cashier says that's $20. I pay and get a shopping bag and a receipt.
The receipt is very important. Keep it in case you want to return the shirt later.
Good tip. Always keep the receipt.
Phew, shopping is hard work.
It is. I'm hungry now.
Me too. Let's go to the food court.
Great idea. I want pizza.
Me too. Let's get 1 slice of cheese and 1 slice of pepperoni.
And 2 waters, please.
Perfect. Polite English. 1 slice of cheese pizza, please.
We pay the cashier, take our food, and sit down.
This pizza is good.
Yes, delicious. Okay, what now?
Let's go to the bookstore.
Or maybe the cinema.
Good idea. But wait, where is the bathroom?
Oh, you're lost.
Yes, I need to ask someone politely.
You say, "Excuse me, where's the bathroom?"
Perfect. You can use that for many things. Excuse me, where is the food court? Or where is the shoe store?
Very useful phrase. And the worker says, "Go straight and turn left."
Great. So now you're not lost anymore.
Haha, yes. The mall is such a great place to practice English. Reading signs, talking to people, ordering food.
Exactly. It's real English practice.
Wow. Look at the time, Emily.
Yes, time flies when we talk about fun things.
I had fun today.
Me too. I feel like I really went shopping.
Same here. My feet are tired already.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope you learned some new English words today.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Learning English with William.
Yes, click the like button if you had fun and share this episode with your friends who are learning English.
We also have a question for you.
Yes, in the comments below tell us, what's your favorite shop at the mall?
Or what do you like to eat at the food court? Pizza, burgers?
Write your answers in English. We love reading your comments.
We do. It's our favorite part.
Great. See you next time, everyone.
Bye, Emily.
Bye, William.